Hello everyone, this is Dr. Aksa. I hope that you all are doing great. As much as we all are concerned about our toothpaste, you must know that toothpaste is not a treatment. For example, if a diabetic patient is complaining about tooth sensitivity or bleeding gums, so it cannot be treated with a toothpaste. In this situation, you need to go to a doctor to get yourself examined, and you need a proper treatment for that. So please remember to always get your oral cavity examined by a professional doctor so that they could advise you according to what you actually need. I will give you a general guidance about some of the recommended toothpaste, and I will tell you about their contents so that you're able to choose your toothpaste yourself according to your need. The most common problem which we all encounter is tooth sensitivity. And the number one question for this condition is that which toothpaste should we use? But before we start, always remember to get your oral cavity examined by a professional dentist so that they could advise you according to your condition. Now let's talk about tooth sensitivity. Tooth sensitivity is characterized by short, sharp pain. It arises from the exposed dentine in response to stimuli such as thermal, evaporative, or tactile. It is the most painful condition. If you want to choose a toothpaste for tooth sensitivity, then the most recommended options are: number 1, Sensodyne Rapid Relief. It helps with the sensitivity and caries protection. Its active ingredient is stannous fluoride, which is a good ingredient. This mineral helps to prevent sensitivity, reduce the chances of caries formation, and it repairs the early tooth decay. It fights the plaque formation. The second most recommended option is Oral-B Sensitive Protect. It has sodium gluconate, which has an important role as stabilizer for fluoride delivery system in a toothpaste. Fluoride, as we all know, is extremely essential for the maintenance of our teeth and prevention of caries. Now the third and the most recommended option is Colgate Sensitive Pro Relief. It contains arginine. Arginine is a naturally derived ingredient. It seals the open dentine tubules, and in this way it reduces the pain and also treats the condition. So it's like a gradual treatment. The second problem which I have heard the most is about bleeding gums. Bleeding gums can be a sign of poor oral hygiene. Gums are inflamed, there is plaque buildup, and this results in bleeding gums. Even a slightest touch sometimes can cause bleeding gums. It can also be called as gingivitis, which is definitely not good if not treated in time. For this condition, the recommendation is Parodontax. It contains a stannous fluoride. A stannous fluoride, as we just discussed, helps by fighting plaque and the formation of plaque, which is the cause of bleeding gums. So it helps by treating the cause. However, my most recommended treatment option, which I advise to all of my patients, friends, and family for bleeding gums specifically, is salt water mouth rinse. Use lukewarm water and some salt. This rinse must be done 3 times a day after every meal, even during normal routine. It's a natural way to improve bleeding gums, and it also maintains oral hygiene. It's a natural way and it's very effective. Now I will tell you about the toothpaste which you can use normally and regularly. For regular use, it is much recommended to use a good fluoride toothpaste, mostly herbals. There is no specific recommended brand. Choose any good toothpaste, just like Colgate, Forehands, Colgate Meswak, Oral-B, Crest Fluoride. Read the ingredients of the toothpaste before purchasing it. Educate yourself with such videos like this one to choose your option. In addition of teeth brushing, keep doing saltwater rinses. I prefer telling you about the contents of the toothpaste so that you can choose your toothpaste yourself. Also, don't forget to get your oral cavity examined by a doctor. I hope that this video helped you in a good way. Keep watching my vlogs. Thank you very much. Goodbye.